I let him choose the hotel every time we book because he doesn't like the hotel I choose. Grabe. Looks good. Actually, I would. So,
What do you think?
Huh?
What do you think?
Are you happy that you choose the hotel where you want to stay?
Have we got a nice hotel now? Not somebody that's got pea stains on the pillow. Right, what room are we? 06. So turn right.
Yep. Mariosep.
1,
Ganda.
2, 3.
Hi. Nang hinayang pa din ako sa like the money that I pay kasi hanggang yun, next hanggang weekend. Grabe. Ayun. Okay. Ayun na. He likes here. Woo. Diba? Gusto niya yung ganito na gaya sa bahay niya na maarte. You're just being maarte. Okay? Are you happy? Ha?
Ano?
Ano? Woo. Gusto niya may ref sa kwarto.
Look, fridge.
Okay.
Nothing in it. Okay.
Kaya Mariose.
Nothing.
So, okay. Huh?
Let me get coffee cups here.
Yun, Mariose.
And tea. Sugar, cream.
Sayang yung pera kung binayad ko doon. Kasi yung pera ko na yon pang PMS ko sana ng truck ko yun eh. Diba? Hi.
In-room dining menu.